In this video, I'm going to walk you through and show you how to share your screen in Zoom. Whether you're sharing just a display or your desktop, or you want to share a web browser, you want to share a video, or even a whiteboard. I'll show you how to share all of those. And this video continues our series Zoom tutorials for beginners. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so head on over to zoom.us, sign in, and then host a meeting. Okay, so now that you're in your meeting, let's head down here to where it says security. Click on that, and then you'll see here allow participants to share screen. If you don't have it marked on, they can't share their screen. If you want participants to share their screen, make sure to click that here, and now they'll be able to share your screen. When you start your meeting, if you don't want anybody to share their screen, make sure to click that off so that way nobody shares their screen. However, if during the meeting you want them to share their screen, you can always come back down here to security, click that, and then click screen share. Okay, so now let's head on over here to share screen, and you can click this little up arrow. And now that you've allowed people to share their screen, you can allow one participant to share at a time, or you can have multiple people share at one time. In advanced setting, there's a couple other options, but basically it's those two that you saw. And you can also see who can share, if the host only, or if all participants can share. And then who can start sharing when someone else is sharing, only the host, or if you want all participants to share. So these settings will be up to you depending on how you're setting up your meeting and how you're executing your meeting. But this is where you would give permission to the participants to share their screen, or not give permission as well. And also give multiple people permission to share their screen at the same time. Okay, so let's X out of that. Go back down again to share screen, click on that. Okay, so from here, it'll depend on what you have, but there's multiple different things that you can do from here. Okay, so you can share just the screen, meaning one of your displays. If you have a monitor, it shares the full monitor by clicking screen or screen one. I have two monitors, but if I click screen one, and if I click share, as you can see, it's sharing my full display. Okay, so anything that I have pop up here in my display will be shown to my participants. Okay, so if I have something else pop up where I can maximize this, minimize this, so just remember everything you're sharing on the screen, the participants can see. So you just want to be cautious there, because anything you're sharing on your screen, anything that you can pull up and has any personal information or any other information that you don't want to show your participants. Or remember as well, there's notifications or things that are popping up, or emails that can pop up as well. So just be careful when you're doing display share. Okay, once you're done sharing your screen, you can just come down here where it says stop share, and you click on that. Okay, so let's go see the other option. So click on share screen again. And then if you just want to share that Chrome browser, instead of sharing your full display, just that particular browser, you would just go here to whatever Chrome browser you have on, just go there and click share. And then now you're sharing just the Chrome browser. So you're sharing just the browser, not your full display. So that means if there's pop-ups or anything else that you accidentally open, nothing will show, only the web browser will show. Okay, so once you're done with that, click stop share. Okay, let's hit down here again. Click share screen again. And then if you have an application open, like a software, kind of like a Photoshop or Premiere Pro or something else, you can click here and it will share that particular screen. Okay, so right now this is what I'm using to record my video. I can't click on that. But if you were using another application, you can click on that and just share that particular application, okay? Another thing you can share is any file that you have open on your computer. So I have here an Excel sheet. If I click on that and click share, then you'll see the Excel sheet. So if you have something else open, a PDF, a Word file, even a PowerPoint, you can share that as well, just by clicking that particular file that's open. So just make sure you have the file ready to go. That way you're not searching for it when you're in your meeting. Just open it beforehand, and that way when it's there and you're ready to share your screen, it'll be easy to just select the file and just share it. Okay, so now let's head on over to advanced. And here you can do a couple other cool things. So you can share a PowerPoint as your background. So if you have a PowerPoint and you want it to be behind you as your background, the same way you sort of share a video, you can click on that. So if you want to share just a portion of your screen and not everything else, you can use this. So let me show you how that works. So you see how there's a green outline here. So basically anything within this green outline is being shown to your viewer. So that's what they see. Nothing outside of it, they can't see that. If you want to change the size of this, you can. You just select it and drag it either that way, or you can drag it down. And same thing on this side. You can just move it and drag it around by clicking it and moving it, and then let go. Now the cool thing is, while you are changing this and modifying, it won't share that part of the screen. So if once I click on it, you see that it goes orange. That means the sharing is paused. You'll see down there your screen sharing is paused. So that way you're not sharing anything, so you don't accidentally move this somewhere else where you don't want to. And then once you finally let go, then you'll start sharing your screen again. Okay, so I'm going to hit stop share. Share screen again. Music. So if you only want to share a music, a sound, anything else basically that's audio from your computer, you can do that, and then it'll share that sound. And then finally, if you have a second camera, you can use this to connect that second camera. So if you have one on you and maybe one on the product or something else, you can use that to showcase that product. Or even if you just want to have a second camera on you, then you can do that as well. Just have it pointed towards you. Okay? And then finally, in files, you can bring up the files through here as well. If you want to connect your Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft One, Box, etc., you can hook those up, connect them, and then from there, bring in that file that you're trying to share. If you're trying to share anything that has audio, make sure down here you click Share Sound. And that way you're sharing whatever audio you're trying to share from there, okay? So if you're sharing a video or anything else on the screen that has sound, make sure you click on that before you click Share. And that way you can share the sound as well. And there you have it. I hope that helped you. And if it did, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really does help and support the channel. And don't forget to continue your digital media and marketing education by clicking or tapping on one of those videos right here. We'll have more videos on the Zoom tutorial training, okay? As always, Carlos with Vario Media. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.